How to leave a Discord server you created. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Discord, and usually what you want when you want to leave a Discord server, you simply click on that server from the list as I am right now, and then click on the three dots at the top right corner, and you will find at the bottom a red text that says leave server, and you simply click on it and you leave. But when the server is your own, you can't do that. But luckily there's an easy workaround that we can use which will give us the same option. So once you're here, click on those three dots again, and what we will try to do right now is we will try to transfer the server ownership to another member so that we can leave. Click on settings and then scroll down to user management, then click on members, and here you will find all the server members right here. So say for example I want to transfer the ownership to this member right here. I will click on the three dots next to it, and then from the administrative section I will click on transfer ownership. A pop-up window will appear that says I acknowledge by transferring ownership of the server to this person, it officially belongs to them. Click on the checkbox to confirm, then click on transfer, and once the ownership has been transferred to that person, it means that you are not the owner or creator of that server anymore, and you can simply leave it just like any other member or any other server. Just click on those three dots at the top right again, and you will see at the bottom the option that says leave server. Click on it, and it asks you, are you sure you want to leave the server? Click on leave server again to confirm. So that was it for this video. That's how you can leave your own server in Discord. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.